ragazzi e benvenuti a questo nuovo video. Oggi noi parliamo della differenza di perché. Oggi parliamo della differenza dei significati di perché. There is a perché that serves the purpose of explaining something, ok? Per esempio, non mi piacciono troppo le mucche perché ho avuto un trauma da bambina. Okay, I don't like so much cows because I had a trauma when I was a child. Okay, which is also a true story. Being shut in a car for some time with 7 cows, basically salivating in front of the windows of the car. That was not a great experience, I must say. Okay, so non mi piacciono molto le mucche perché ho avuto un trauma. So this perché could be substituted by poiché, okay, which is the same thing, poiché. But there's also a perché that has a valore finale, okay, meaning it has the purpose of explaining to which purpose, okay? Per esempio, puoi passare da casa mia perché lui possa avere le chiavi? Okay? So, could you come by, could you pass by my house so that he can have the keys? So questo perché, this perché, has a valore finale, okay? And so you can substitute this type of perché with affinché. Indeed, what happens here is that this type of perché would be followed by congiuntivo. So either you have perché or affinché, it's the same thing. It has to be followed by congiuntivo. So, or you could substitute it with affinché plus congiuntivo. Al fine di, also it's another expression that would mean exactly the same thing. Al fine di, of course you have a di here, okay? So al fine di dargli le chiavi, in this particular sentence we have seen earlier, okay? Al fine di dargli le chiavi, okay? And so because you have di, you're gonna have an infinitive. Dargli is give to him the keys. Okay, guys. Adesso andate avanti. Fate frasi, okay? Post it here below if you want to. And of course, if you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Non dimenticatevi di iscrivervi al canale e lasciare un like. Noi ci vediamo la prossima volta. Ciao!